Hey guys, okay, so your lesson for today is lesson 47. This lesson focuses on commas as well. It is on page 123 of your grammar workbook. So commas are used for lots of different things. Most importantly, they tell you as the reader where you should take a pause. The comma is kind of like the reader's chance to take a breath and then continue on with the sentence. So a comma is used to separate an introductory word or an interjection from the rest of a sentence, independent clauses in a compound sentence, and a noun of direct address from the rest of the sentence. So a noun of a direct address names the person who is being spoken to, and a lot of times that is at the very beginning of your sentence because you are addressing the person that you are speaking about. So let's look up in the top, right underneath Read and Discover. We're going to look at this paragraph together and answer the few questions before we get started with your lesson. So yes, we decided to have a frog jumping contest. Miss Lee helped us catch the bullfrogs, but she said that we'd have to let them go later. Be careful not to squeeze your frog, Celia, she said sharply. So the first question asks you to find the word that introduces the first sentence. What punctuation mark follows it? So what word is introducing the very first sentence? If you said yes, you are correct. Now you have to find the conjunction that joins the two parts of the second sentence and then answer what punctuation mark comes before it. If you said but, you are correct. And you'll see that comma after bullfrogs. And then the last question says, find the name of the person being spoken to in the third sentence and what punctuation mark comes before it. So in that third sentence, who is being spoken to? If you said Celia, you are correct. And then a comma comes before her name. Okay, so for your assignment today, you are going to complete part 1, all of the questions 1 through 12. As you are working on this section, you are required to add the missing comma, and then you have to decide why the comma is needed. So you're going to write I if it's for an introductory word, C if it's for a compound sentence, or D for direct address. So just these 12 questions today. Make sure that you look back up in that gray box in the example sentences to help you identify why the comma is needed. And this lesson will be checked in class tomorrow, so please make sure you have it completed. You will receive a daily grade for having finished part 1. Hope you guys have a great day.